If you've been looking to install a cabinet in your kitchen or room, I want you to watch this video. I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to install a new cabinet of your choice. You'd need a pencil, screwdriver, measuring tape, mounting hardware, level, drill, stud finder, and your new cabinet. Step 1. Prepare the area. Ensure there's enough space for the cabinet. Step 2. Measure and mark. Use a measuring tape to determine the desired height and location for the cabinet. Mark the positions for mounting screws or hardware on the wall using a pencil. Step 3. Locate studs. If possible, use a stud finder to locate the wall studs. Studs are vertical 2 by 4 inch beams that support your home's frame and can securely hold screws better. Step 4. Lift the cabinet into place. With the help of an assistant, carefully lift the cabinet into place. Step 5. Check for level. Place a level on top of the cabinet to ensure it is straight and level. Step 6. Secure the cabinet. Once the cabinet is level, use a drill to screw it securely into the mounting hardware or brackets on the wall. Drive screws through the back panel or support rails of the cabinet into the wall. Step 7. Double check alignment. Recheck the alignment and levelness of the cabinet after securing it to the wall. Step 8. Install cabinet doors and hardware. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to install them securely. Step 9. Test the cabinet. Test the stability of the cabinet by gently pushing and pulling on it. Now it's time to enjoy your new cabinet. Save this video as it may come in handy someday, and also follow us for more exciting videos and tips. Catch you on the next DIY.